Hello, my name is Andrea Corso, and today I'm going to do the speaking part. First of all, I chose two superheroes, Hulk and Spider-Man. I chose especially to them because I like their character development in the movies series that there are of them. Their physical description are Hulk is green, tall, strong, and big. He has also a strong mood like angry and savage. For another hand, Spider-Man is strong. He has a good physical condition. He's brave, friendly, and he fights for justice. Hulk's skills. He is so strong. He can have resistance in difficult stages and he is invulnerable. Spider-Man's skills are he can climb walls, he can have reflexes and a good equilibrium. We know they are a big superheroes. They have different, for example, Hulk is a hero that has an incredible strength and also he is able to fight with other superiors. However, he doesn't have what Spider-Man has, and it is the superior intellect of Peter Parker. Thank you.